What's hot, everyone? I have some great news for you today on our lovely Nio stock. Some of you might have noticed that Nio yesterday on April 1st jumped up to $40 a share, and we will get to the charts a little later in the video, but I'm really excited to tell you about this. If you just follow me over to their website, if we just go to About Nio and we go to News, they have released in their Nio News, Nio Inc. provides March and first quarter 2021 delivery updates. So you can see Nio delivered 7,257 vehicles in March 2021, increasing by 373% year over year. This is beautiful. That is a whopping percentage. I mean, how many companies can you say that grow by over 100 or 200% per year, let alone 300%? This is great news for our Nio stock. Really excited about it. This is one of the reasons why it has jumped up to that 40 mark. And if you read this, Nio delivered 20,060 vehicles in the 3 months ended March 2021, increasing by 423% year over year. Absolutely astonishing. Cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6 and EC6 as of March 31st, 2021 reached 95,701. Now, one of the reasons that Nio did actually dip down into the $35 range was because the factory got shut down for 5 days. I have just covered this in one of my recent videos, and this is due to the chip shortage. But even then, they did lower their prediction of vehicles for this quarter down from 20,500 vehicles to 19,500 vehicles. And then with that, they have actually beaten it and hit the 20,060 vehicles mark. So Nio just keeps on delivering great figures, increases in quarters. This stock has so much potential, and I really can't wait to see where it is at the end of the year. And I have a price target myself of Nio hitting over $200 in the next couple of years. You know, they are in China, so they are in the largest market cap in the world for this. And currently the EV sector only represents 2% of vehicle sales. So it is like a needle in a haystack. This sector is only going to grow and grow, and Nio is going to be one of the leaders, along with Tesla, of course. But I believe we are in the EV revolution right now, and the people invested in these stocks like Nio at the end of this year and at the end of the next couple following years are going to see absolutely outstanding returns on their investments. You can see March 2021, a new monthly record representing a strong 373 year-over-year growth, and again, obviously, a new quarterly record, increased by 423% year over year. Cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6 and EC6 reached 95,701 vehicles. So they're almost at that 100k mark, guys. This is fantastic news. 100k vehicles is a really nice big milestone for Nio, and they are expected to be doing 500,000 in the next few years, which will just push the price of the stock up so much. Now, if you are new here, then welcome. I really appreciate you stopping by listening today. If you do find value in my video at any point, remember to go down and smash that like button, hit that big juicy subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest news, charts, stock analysis, and more. I do make videos every single week on the stock market, covering all the things that you need to know but don't have the time to research yourself. And I'd love to have you join me and this family of investors as we all make money together. So we're over on the daily chart for Nio, and obviously we've talked about this before, about how we had this triple top up the top. Since then, we have pushed all the way down. We've made a bottom of about $35, pushed back up, hit resistance at about $46, come back down to the 35, another bottom. I have called this as where I thought the stock would stay, and these are two dips that I have actually bought myself. You can see we are also trading now. We just bounced off the 200 SMA, which is this purple line here. We've had a nice little rebound up, and as of yesterday, we did have that nice gap up. We did gap up all the way up to kind of $42, but we ended just short of $40. And if I clear this, you can see that this level here, if I just draw on a line, you can see back in December here, we were sitting pretty on this nice support. We have hit it multiple times. So this could end up being our new low for Nio. We'll just see what happens over the next few days. But I do think that this could be the W-shaped recovery I have talked about. We could end up seeing a bit of a kind of cup and handles. We go from here, another little sell-off, and then we could see a nice push up. Currently trading from its all-time high, we are still at about a 40% discount. I still feel that if you did not get in Nio at the price of about $35, we could still be looking at some nice zones to be able to enter. And if I just draw on the old Fibonacci and go back to candles, so we are still trading on in this bottom zone here, and I'll be expecting to see Nio, especially off this good delivery news, to start pushing up more towards the kind of $45 mark. We'll see if that ends up being its next level of resistance. We could see another push back down. If we do see something like that, then the kind of $41, $50 mark could be a really, really nice entry here. It all depends if we get any more good news from Nio come through over the next few weeks, then we could see a really, really nice push up. So for any of you guys that are still invested in Nio, maybe you got in the previous bull run towards the beginning of this year, my honest thought is don't worry, hold on for your stock at the moment. I don't really see Nio going below that $35 range unless there's something catastrophic that happens. I believe the EV market is just going to take off, it's going to soar. Nio has outstanding figures and it continues to deliver quarter over quarter better results, year over year, better and better results. I really do honestly see this stock going to the moon. So if you've bought the dip or if you're thinking about buying soon, hopefully this analysis and this news has got you motivated and inspired with Nio to be able to see it as a stock that should be in your portfolio. I'm going to be holding this for the long term. I can't wait to see where it ends up going. Another bit of bonus information about Nio, if we go to About Nio and we go to their blog, you can see April the 1st, Nio has just actually released a new blog saying about their Nio house beyond a showroom. So this is another thing that I really like about Nio. It's another thing that differentiates them from a lot of other companies. It's the fact that they have their Nio houses. So with Nio, your journey is just the beginning. Once you purchase your Nio vehicle, you'll gain admittance to Nio houses around China. Upon entering a Nio house, you see our car showroom that you'd expect of a premium automaker. A flawless model of each of our cars is available for our potential users, is open to experience, see and touch. Once you pass the gallery showroom, you are in the heart of the Nio house. Each has a unique layout but always includes a Nio cafe, each with its own signature coffee drink, library where users can borrow any book or DVD and return it at any Nio house. They have conference rooms, they have lab meeting rooms and for individual users to be able to host, living room and lounges to relax, and even childcare through their Joycam. So not only with Nio do you get a car, you also get access to their houses that are scattered around China. This gives it a lot more of a luxury feel than you would with just buying any normal car, say a Ford. You actually become part of this like exclusive Nio club. But this is one of the other things that I just really love about this company is they go above and beyond what all the other companies are doing at the moment. And another thing I want to talk about briefly is their battery swap technology and why it is so good, especially in China. It's one of the unique sell points of Nio. And basically in China, most people live in either tall flats or skyscrapers, so they don't really have garages or drives and room basically for EV charging points. So the battery technology in China is such a good investment with Nio, and it also allows them to charge a monthly subscription fee, which gives them reoccurring revenue month on month, which for me is a really, really big tick in the box. You want to make sure that these companies not only can sell, for example, their cars or their products, but they can also find another way to monetize it and get reoccurring revenue, which gives them tons of potential for future growth and makes them sustainable in the long term. Alright guys, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by if you made it this far. Really appreciate you guys. Remember to like this video if you found any value in it and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my future content. I hope you're as excited for the future as Nio as I am. I really honestly can't wait to see this stock absolutely take off. I think it's going to be an absolute outstanding investment for the future. And until the next time, have a nice day and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!